links down below the description of things you might be interested in. And we have some great playlists. Check them out. Our topic today is finance, but not like most people think about. We would like to help you know that you need to keep a budget. And that's probably something you have tried, but it goes crazy. I know ours did for the longest time. You need to know how to manage your own money and how the tax system works and how to stay on the budget. You know, building a personal budget and negotiating contracts and reading financial statements and creating a budget toward long-term savings and investing in companies and buying stocks and all of that stuff is way over our heads. What we need to know is how to pay the local bills, get out of debt, and be able to afford the food you need, and be able to stretch that budget and know how much you have to work for every dollar that you're spending. How much of your time does it take to actually earn to buy a loaf of bread? Those things are important. Get yourself a little envelope, 4 of them. Divide your money that's left over after the rent and bills into each week, and then you can be able to know how much you have to spend on gas and groceries and other essential things. Put another envelope there for saving for a flat tire or a trip to the hospital or other kind of emergencies. Put 5 or 10 cents or $1 away for gifts and stuff. You need to be able to make this stretch. Anyway, if you like this tip, give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more special tips for your life, subscribe. Angels all around. Have a blessed day.